Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rate the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on rate the app and you can just give the amount of stars that you think it deserves. Press on submit. And after that you can just rate it once again in the Google Play. You can tell here your opinion, you can describe it, and after that you can just press on save and your opinion is going to be posted in the Google Play application. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.